Let's discuss our next topic is the types of chemical reactions. In this topic we will deal with this type of the reactions which is present in these chapters. First one is a combination reaction, second one is a decomposition reaction, and third one is a displacement reaction, and fourth one is a redox reaction. So let's discuss about the first topic and first point of this is a combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? In a combination reaction, you should try to remember one thing. Reactant A plus B is converted into the product A B. Means that reactant and this one is product, as you know that we have discussed in previous lecture. If you are comparing this, reactant have a two molecule A plus B is converted into the one molecule that is a AB. So in combination reaction always form one product. How many products will form in the combination reaction? One. You should keep in mind, in combination reaction only one product will form, because two or more reactants are combined to form a product. That's why it is known as a combination reaction. Maybe it is helped with the energy in the form of heat or catalyst and enzymes, but reaction will always occurs to produce a one product. So let's discuss about the examples. Calcium oxide in a solid form plus react with water. As you know that water always present, maybe in liquid, maybe in gaseous, or maybe in solid form. As you know that water will be liquid as a water will be the gas in a steam or heat by the heat, or it will be ice form by the decreasing the temperatures. Okay, is converted into the calcium hydroxide in aqueous form. What is the aqueous? We have deal with this type of the aqueous is nothing but any solute is produce a solution with the help of water solvent. Means a solution which is formed by a water solid is mainly known as a aqueous. Okay, clear? Plus heat. Try to understand this reaction or this equation. In this there is a two reactant, but product is only one. Okay, one product will form, maybe reactant two or more, but product will be one. This is called combination reaction. Let's try to understand this about heat. Whenever heat release because of the reaction, by the reaction, this is known as a exothermic reaction. Okay, try to understand. We have discussed 2 points. First one is a combination reaction. We have understand this type of the combination reaction, reactant will be one or more, but product will be only one. two or more reactant will produce only one product with the help of heat, energy or catalyst, or maybe produce a heat. Okay, we have discussed one example of this type of the reaction. Calcium oxide in a solid form, when react with the water in liquid form, is converted into the calcium hydroxide in aqueous form, plus heat, means heat is released because of the reaction. So because of the heat releasing, it is known as a exothermic reaction. If you are trying to understand that, exo means outside. What is means of exo? Exo means outside. Thermic means heat. What is mean of thermic? Heat. Heat means thumb. As you know, the thumb is known as a heat. Exo means outside. It means that in a reaction, when heat release outside the reaction, outside the solution, this type of the reaction is known as an exothermic reaction. Let's discuss about the other example of this. So always try to remember one thing: in a combination reaction, only one product will form. It is maybe due to the one or two or more reactant, or maybe in a combination reaction, heat or energy will release. Okay. Burning of coil. As you know that coil is burned. All are know very well, because we have seen a lot of time coils is burning in the presence of oxygen. As you know that environment have a what? Oxygens. Carbon. Coil have what? Carbon. Okay. Carbon when combined with oxygen, as you know that coil is in a solid form, and oxygen in what form? What form? Gas, right? Is converted into which product? It is converted into the carbon dioxide, or carbon dioxide is converted in the form of glue gaseous. One thing I have tried to remember, create one important point to about the carbon dioxide. As you know that we have engulfed, we have inspired our air, that is known as a oxygen, but we release one air, one gaseous molecule in the very much more amount, is known as a carbon dioxide, but in a human body. But in a plant, carbon dioxide is utilized by them and release their oxygen. So we have a good knowledge about the carbon dioxide in a gaseous form, and oxygen, it is a good we have a good knowledge about the oxygen in a gaseous form. When it is a burn, when it's burn coil in the presence of oxygen, is converted into the carbon dioxide. If you are trying to apply previous knowledge on about combination reaction, we have seen that two reactant is there, one product is formed, and second one is a when hydrogen in which form? Gaseous form, plus oxygen in gaseous form is converted into the, when react with it, form the water molecule. It is in a what form? Liquid form. This is also example of a combination reaction. But why I am not it is not a complete reaction equation. Why? Because it is an imbalance. And why I have written imbalance reaction to here? Because I have to explain how to balance one more time this reaction. If you are trying to understand that how many hydrogens are there in a reactant? 2. And how many in a product? 2. Okay, so means hydrogen is balanced. But what about the oxygen? Oxygen is present in a reactant 2, but in a product there is only 1. So when we balance the oxygen by multiplying the water molecule 2, the hydrogen is converted into the 2 into to 4. So in reactant we also multiply the 2 into 2 in converting to the 4. So we have multiplied this also. So it is a balanced reaction. Okay, this is a 2 molecule of a hydrogen in a gaseous form. We react with the 1 molecule of oxygen in the gaseous form is converted into 2 molecule of water in a liquid form. This is a combination. This is an example of a combination reaction. Thank you so much.